Hi and welcome. I am Sanpala from khmertutor.com. Today, you are going to learn a new Khmer vowel. Whether you are just starting to learn Khmer or looking for strengthen your skill, this lesson will help you understand how this vowel work, how it pronounced, and how to use it with different consonants. If you are new here, make sure subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and click the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Want to support the channel? Check the description for more info. Alright, let's dive in and start learning. The first sound of this vowel is sra. Used with all sound series consonant. Has short sound. Open your mouth quickly with aspiration while you are pronouncing this vowel. You should feel vibration at the back of your tongue. Now repeat after me. Good. And here are some examples. Pa, kla, sa, ka ko, sro la, kroi plieng, me sro la. The second sound of this vowel is ear. Ear, used with all sound series consonant. Ear has short sound. You pronounce this vowel by saying e and a with aspiration at the end. E a, ear, ear, ear. Now repeat after me. Ear, ear, ear. Good. And here are some examples. Ptea, prea, ria, som pia, chay chùm nè, quátកំពុងសំពះព្រះក្នុងផ្ទះ And now you learn sra'ah and sra'eh. I hope you found this video is useful. Don't forget subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, click the bell icon so you will not miss a lesson. If you are interested in learning Khmer with me, go to my website khmertutor.com and send me a message. Support channel, go to the description below for more information. Thank you for watching and see you next lesson. Bye.